What's the aim of this experiment is? I'll start by loading up my ice. And I want my immersion heater to be, it's already melting a bit messy. Okay, good. So the ice is already melting just because of the heat in the room. What else do I need? We'll put some more ice later. But how are we going to use the weighing scale? Something very important. Yeah, we'll have to tear it. We'll have to zero it. So please remember that. How am I going to get the electrical energy in? How am I going to get the electrical energy into the ice? I've got an immersion heater. I've already put it in there, but if you want to know what an immersion heater looks like that, used for specific heat capacity, yeah? Right. Vaishnav, what do I need now? I need a timer. I've got my little timer there. What else? Oh, I've got my power pack. What else? What am I measuring, guys? You're not telling me what I'm measuring. I need a voltmeter. So I've got my two connections here. Voltmeter being in parallel needs its own loop, needs two wires. And if I'm connecting an ammeter, it only needs one wire. Why? Is a voltmeter will have its own loop. And what do I need by that? And that's connected in parallel. And if you've got air pockets in there, you've got issues. So if you have a nice block of ice where you could put your thermometer and your heater in, it'd be better, but it's not ideal. So there's still, again, we're going to have some errors due to the air pockets in there. Right, so for this experiment, I don't like this setup. What else could I have used? A joule meter. And be honest with you, we've got a joule meter. This is what a joule meter looks like, right? Measures directly your energy. Or, if you haven't got a joule meter, there are smaller versions that we use. Anyone knows what they look like? These. Smart plugs. These smart plugs are really good, by the way, boys. I think we did that last time, didn't we? So if you want to know how much energy you use, I could get rid of my voltmeter and my ammeter, right? I'm going to plug that directly into the mains. It will tell me how much energy I'm actually using. Tear that again and start the stopwatch at the same time. So 3, 2, 1. Good.